Got some spare time and need extra money fast? Whether you're saving up for something special, trying to pay off some bills, or just looking to boost your income, there are plenty of ways to make money quickly. Listen up. All right, let's dive in. First up, sell your skills online. The internet has opened up a world of opportunities for freelancers and skilled individuals. If you have a talent or a skill, there's a good chance you can monetize it. Platforms like Fiverr or Upwork let you turn talents into dollars. These websites connect freelancers with clients looking for specific services. Whether you're a writer, designer, programmer, or even a voiceover artist, there's a market for your skills. Good at graphic design or writing? Maybe you have a knack for social media management or video editing. Whatever your skill set, there's someone out there ready to pay for your expertise. The key is to create a compelling profile and showcase your best work. Once you land a few gigs and build a positive reputation, you'll find it easier to attract more clients and command higher rates. Plus, working as a freelancer gives you the flexibility to work from anywhere and set your own schedule. Next, how about selling stuff you don't use? We all have items lying around the house that we no longer need or use. Instead of letting them collect dust, why not turn them into cash? Apps like eBay or Facebook Marketplace make it super easy to list and sell your items. Take clear photos, write detailed descriptions, and set a fair price. You'll be surprised at how quickly you can find buyers for your unwanted items. That old guitar collecting dust, it could be cash in your pocket. And it's not just musical instruments, clothes, electronics, furniture, and even collectibles can fetch a good price online. The key is to be honest about the condition of the items and to respond promptly to inquiries from potential buyers. A little effort can go a long way in turning your clutter into cash. And don't forget about gig apps. If you have a car and some spare time, driving for Uber or Lyft can be a great way to make money quickly. You can set your own hours and work as much or as little as you want. Delivering food with DoorDash, Uber Eats, or Postmates is another option. These services are always in demand, especially during meal times. Plus, you can earn tips on top of your base pay, which can add up quickly. If you love animals, consider dog walking or pet sitting on Rover or Wag. These platforms connect pet owners with trusted caregivers. It's a fun way to make money while spending time with furry friends. Finally, consider taking online surveys. While this won't make you rich, it's an easy way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Sites like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie pay for your opinions on various products and services. The surveys are usually short and can be completed while watching TV or during your lunch break. Over time, the earnings can add up and you can cash out via PayPal or gift cards. It's not a fortune, but hey, every little bit helps. Plus, some survey sites offer additional ways to earn, such as watching videos, playing games, or shopping online. So there you go, 4 proven ways to earn extra cash quickly. Whether you choose to sell your skills, declutter your home, take on gig work, or share your opinions, there's a method that can fit into your lifestyle. Remember, the key to success is to take action and stay consistent. Happy hustling!